Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at subject pronoun, a guide for beginners. So let's get started. What is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a pronoun that's used as the subject of a verb in a sentence. Subject pronouns in English can be personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns, which can be used as subjects of verbs in sentences. Subject pronouns in English include I, you, he, she, it, they, we, who, what, which, that, and others. Subject pronouns are usually placed before the verbs which they are subjects of. What is a personal pronoun? What is an interrogative pronoun? What is a relative pronoun? What is the subject of a sentence and others? Are the questions taken up in this video? Continue watching to learn subject pronoun, definition, types, examples with exercises. This video covers subject pronoun, meaning and definition. What is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun in grammar is. Subject pronoun examples. Examples of subject pronouns in sentences. How to identify subject pronouns. Subject pronoun versus object pronoun. Subject pronoun worksheets and exercises. Frequently asked questions or facts, subject pronoun. Subject pronoun, meaning and definition. What does subject pronoun mean? The word subject in the phrase subject pronoun refers to the subject in grammar, which is an element performing the action in a sentence. On the other hand, the word pronoun means a word which is used in place of a noun to avoid repeating the same noun. So, subject pronoun means any pronoun which acts as the subject of a verb in a sentence. What is a subject pronoun in grammar? A subject pronoun in grammar is a pronoun that acts as the subject of a verb in a sentence. Subject pronouns are used to suggest that a person or thing performs an action. Subject pronouns are placed before verbs used in sentences. Subject pronoun examples. Here are the examples of subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it, they, we, who, which, what, that. Examples of subject pronoun in sentences. A. I am a teacher at SM College. I am a teacher at SM College. He is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. She does not recognize you. She does not recognize you. They are honest. They are honest. We speak English. We speak English. Who is coming? Who is coming? Which is yours? Which is yours? What happened? What happened? This is the boy that helped me a lot. This is the boy that helped me a lot. How to identify subject pronouns? Identifying a subject pronoun is as easy as ABC. The best way to identify subject pronouns is to make sure whether or not a pronoun is acting as the subject or doer of verb or action in a sentence. Let's take he for example. The personal pronoun he is a subject pronoun in the below given example. He is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. The reason why he is a subject pronoun in the example above is that it acts as the subject of the verb phrase is reading. Let's take another example of subject pronoun. The relative pronoun that acts as a subject pronoun in the following example. The boy that helped me is this. The boy that helped me is this. Why not look at another example of subject pronoun? The interrogative pronoun who is also a subject pronoun in the example below. Who is coming? Who is coming? The interrogative pronoun who is also a subject pronoun which plays the role of a subject in the sentence above. Subject pronoun versus object pronoun. The main difference between a subject and an object pronoun is that a subject pronoun acts as the subject of a sentence, whereas an object pronoun acts as the object of a sentence. Simply put, subject pronouns perform the actions, whereas object pronouns receive the actions. The subject pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, they, we, etc. Whereas the object pronouns include me, you, him, her, it, them, us, etc. Examples of subject pronouns. You, he, she, they, we, I answered the question. It work. It work. Examples of object pronouns. John hit it. Me, you, him, her, them, us. Subject pronoun worksheets and exercises. Question 1. Tell which of the following statements about subject pronoun are not true. Number 1. A subject pronoun becomes the subject of a sentence. Number 2. A subject pronoun receives the action performed by the subject. 3. A subject pronoun is an objective case. 4. The subjective case is related to subject pronoun. Question 2. Identify the subject pronouns used in the following examples. Number 1. He is my teacher. He is my teacher. 2. John told me about you. John told me about you. 3. Why did they go there? Why did they go there? Could you please help us? Could you please help us? Do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn English? Facts or frequently asked questions, subject pronoun. What's a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a pronoun that's used as the subject of a verb in a sentence. Subject pronouns in English can be personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns, which can be used as subjects of verbs in sentences. Subject pronouns in English include I, you, he, she, it, they, we, who, what, which, that, and others. Subject pronouns are usually placed before the verbs which they are subjects of. What is a subject pronoun example? A. I am a teacher at SM College. I am a teacher at SM College. He is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. She does not recognize you. She does not recognize you. They are honest. They are honest. We speak English. We speak English. Who is coming? Who is coming? Which is yours? Which is yours? What happened? What happened? This is the boy that helped me a lot. This is the boy that helped me a lot. What are the 7 subject pronouns? What are the 7 subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, they, and we are the 7 subject pronouns in English. These subject pronouns act as subjects of verbs in sentences. They are usually placed before verbs in sentences. Subject pronoun definition. A subject pronoun is defined as the pronoun which acts as the subject of verb in a sentence, as I, in, I am reading a book. I am reading a book. So there you go guys, this video ends here about subject pronoun, a guide for beginners.